Imagine a place in the universe where the laws of physics seem to unravel. A planet that emits regular signals, pulses energy as if it were alive, and holds structures so perfect they defy nature. This is Oculus 9, a world NASA discovered but never revealed to the public. What do they know? Why did they hide their findings? Today, we'll dive deep into the secrets of Oculus 9, a journey through enigmas so profound they could forever change how we view the cosmos. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Your support keeps this work alive, bringing extraordinary mysteries straight to you. Now, get ready to explore the unknown. The year was 2002, and scientists were conducting a routine survey for exoplanets. With telescopes aimed at the edges of the Milky Way, they were searching for clues about the universe's formation. That's when something unusual emerged from the data. Oculus 9, initially identified as just another celestial body, quickly stood out due to its erratic orbit. Unlike the predictable gravitational patterns of most planets, it seemed to dance around its star. But the real mystery came next. Electromagnetic signals were detected emanating from its surface at regular 72-hour intervals. These signals weren't random noise, they followed organized patterns resembling binary code. Scientists were stunned, wondering if they were witnessing signs of something artificial, possibly alien. Excitement gripped the team as detailed graphs revealed unparalleled precision in the pulses. Speculation about extraterrestrial communication began circulating. However, before the team could delve deeper, NASA classified all data as top secret. The project was silenced, and Oculus 9 vanished from public records. What did NASA discover that prompted such drastic measures? After its discovery, Oculus 9 became one of NASA's most closely guarded secrets. Scientists and engineers involved in its initial analysis were required to sign non-disclosure agreements, and all related records were sealed. But what drove such secrecy? Internal leaks suggested that the nature of the detected pulses caused alarm. A cryptography team assigned to decode the signals determined that they followed complex patterns resembling attempts at communication. Additionally, missions sent to observe the planet encountered mysterious failures. One probe equipped with advanced instruments for high-resolution imaging vanished without a trace upon entering Oculus 9's gravitational field. There were no signs of an explosion or malfunction, it simply disappeared. Another probe managed to return but brought back distorted images and incoherent data. These anomalies led NASA to suspect that Oculus 9 could be more dangerous than it appeared. The planet was declared a containment priority, and further studies were prohibited. But what were they afraid of? Were they protecting humanity from something we weren't ready to face? The few images captured of Oculus 9 reveal a surface that appears more artificial than natural. The planet is described as being covered in a reflective substance, similar to liquid crystal, that changes color depending on the angle of light. On the horizon, geometric structures can be seen, symmetrical towers rising hundreds of meters high, connected by glowing lines pulsating at regular intervals. The patterns of these structures suggest an organization that could only be the result of advanced engineering. Scientists analyzing leaked data believe the planet might be a massive machine built by an advanced civilization for unknown purposes. The energy emitted by these structures is so intense that it interferes with Earth-based equipment, making remote study nearly impossible. Questions linger: is Oculus 9 an alien base? A cosmic weapon? Or something far more complex than we can imagine? The structures of Oculus 9 bear striking similarities to the creations of ancient Earth civilizations. Pyramids in Egypt, Mayan temples, and the Nazca lines share geometric alignments reflected in Oculus 9's patterns. Could this be coincidence or evidence of ancient contact? Myths from various cultures speak of star gods who descended to teach humanity. Could these stories be echoes of real interactions with the creators of Oculus 9? One theory suggests the planet may have served as a base for these visitors. Perhaps they used it as an observation point to study Earth or as a means to influence our evolution. If this hypothesis is true, Oculus 9 isn't just a cosmic mystery, it's a key to understanding our past. What truths about our history might it reveal that we have yet to uncover? While Oculus 9 is a fascinating mystery, it also represents a potential danger. The energy emissions captured from its surface are so powerful that, theoretically, they could destabilize entire planetary systems. Some theorists believe the planet is a cosmic weapon, built by an advanced civilization to defend against galactic threats. Others suggest it's a monitoring station, observing our solar system and sending reports to a distant civilization. But the most unsettling hypothesis is that Oculus 9 might be a sentient entity with its own intelligence. Perhaps it's studying us, evaluating whether we're a threat or a resource. What would happen if the planet decided to act? Could humanity handle something so advanced and unpredictable? What if Oculus 9 isn't just a planet but a living, breathing entity? The idea might sound far-fetched, but scientists who analyzed its anomalies found striking parallels to biological systems. The electromagnetic pulses it emits aren't static, they vary in frequency and intensity, resembling patterns found in neural or cardiac activity. Even more astonishing, the planet appears to respond to its environment. Changes in light intensity and energy emissions have been recorded when probes or other objects approach. If Oculus 9 is alive, it may possess a level of consciousness that makes it far more advanced than any life we've ever encountered. This raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. How do we interact with something so vast and incomprehensible? Could it view us as insignificant, or worse, as a threat? And if it's aware of us, what might its intentions be? Oculus 9 could redefine what we understand about life, challenging our assumptions about biology, intelligence, and the very fabric of existence. Some physicists propose that Oculus 9 doesn't fully belong to our universe. It may be a nexus point where dimensions intersect, a bridge between realities. The geometric patterns on its surface and the energy it emits seem to defy the laws of our three-dimensional world. These anomalies suggest that Oculus 9 could manipulate spacetime, acting as a portal to other realms. This possibility raises both thrilling and terrifying prospects. If Oculus 9 is indeed a gateway, it might offer access to infinite worlds, each with its own unique laws of physics and potential for life. However, opening such a portal could unleash forces beyond our control. What if something from another dimension crossed into ours? Oculus 9 may hold the key to multiversal exploration, but the risks of tampering with such power could be catastrophic. Oculus 9 forces us to confront a fundamental question: how far should we go in our quest for knowledge? Throughout history, humanity has pushed boundaries, from exploring uncharted oceans to reaching the stars. But Oculus 9 presents a challenge unlike any other. It represents the edge of the unknown, a threshold where curiosity collides with danger. As a species, we've always sought to understand our place in the universe. Oculus 9 could hold answers to questions about life, technology, and the cosmos itself. But with those answers come consequences. Are we prepared for the truths it may reveal? Or will our desire to know everything lead us to open doors best left closed? Oculus 9 isn't just a mystery, it's a test of humanity's readiness to face the vast and unpredictable universe. The electromagnetic signals emitted by Oculus 9 might be more than anomalies, they could be a message. Cryptographers who studied leaked data noticed intricate patterns resembling a universal mathematical language. But what is the message's purpose? Is it a distress call from a civilization that once inhabited the planet? A warning for us to stay away? Or an invitation to connect? The most unsettling theory is that the message is directed specifically at us. If Oculus 9 is trying to communicate, it might be observing our response to gauge our intentions. Ignoring its signals could mean missing out on an unparalleled opportunity to learn about the cosmos. But replying might invite attention from forces we can't comprehend or control. Humanity faces a profound dilemma: should we engage with Oculus 9 or leave its mysteries untouched? Oculus 9 isn't just an isolated mystery. Data leaked from independent astrophysical studies suggests that the planet might be linked to larger galactic anomalies. Unusual energy bursts, gravitational distortions, and unexplained disruptions in nearby star systems appear to emanate from regions surrounding Oculus 9. These events aren't random, their patterns form an intricate web, with the planet at its center. What could this mean? One theory posits that Oculus 9 could be an anchor point for a galactic energy network, a system designed to regulate or harness cosmic forces on an unimaginable scale. If true, its role in the galaxy is far greater than we imagined. Alternatively, these anomalies could indicate defensive mechanisms or natural phenomena caused by the planet's unique properties. Either way, Oculus 9's presence isn't just a question for its immediate surroundings, it could hold the key to understanding galactic-scale events. One of the most puzzling aspects of Oculus 9 is its apparent ability to move unpredictably. Unlike other celestial bodies that follow stable orbits determined by gravitational forces, Oculus 9 seems to defy these natural laws. Astronomers tracking the planet have reported that its position shifts without explanation, as if it can relocate itself at will. This phenomenon has given rise to theories that Oculus 9 may be artificial, potentially powered by advanced propulsion technology. Some even speculate that the planet is a spacecraft disguised as a celestial body. If true, its movements could be deliberate, designed to evade detection or position itself strategically within the galaxy. But why would it need to move? Is it searching for something, or running from something else? The implications are staggering and add yet another layer of intrigue to its already mysterious nature. The electromagnetic pulses from Oculus 9 are unlike anything previously detected in space. When analyzed, the signals reveal a layered structure, one frequency encoding basic mathematical sequences, while another contains more complex patterns resembling data packets. What makes these signals so extraordinary is their precision. They seem designed to be understood by an advanced intelligence. But what are these signals trying to convey? Some believe they're an SOS, sent by a long-lost civilization that once inhabited the planet. Others think they're warnings, urging others to stay away. A more chilling theory is that they're probes, intended to lure civilizations into making contact, revealing their existence. If that's true, then Oculus 9 could be a trap, lying in wait for those curious enough to respond. Time behaves strangely near Oculus 9. Probes sent to study the planet have reported inexplicable delays in their data transmission, and in some cases, onboard clocks appeared to desynchronize entirely. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, is often associated with extreme gravitational forces, such as those near a black hole. But Oculus 9 lacks the mass required to produce such effects. One theory suggests that the planet might be manipulating spacetime using advanced technology. If so, this manipulation could be a form of defense, disorienting intruders and preventing them from gathering reliable data. Alternatively, it might indicate that Oculus 9 exists partially outside our dimension, where time itself flows differently. Whatever the cause, these distortions add yet another layer of complexity to an already perplexing mystery. The Fermi paradox questions why, in a universe teeming with potentially habitable planets, we've yet to find definitive proof of extraterrestrial civilizations. Oculus 9 could provide an unsettling answer. If the planet is a relic of a once thriving alien race, its silence might reflect a catastrophic event, one that wiped out its creators. Could Oculus 9 be a warning of the dangers that advanced civilizations face? Another possibility is that Oculus 9 is part of a larger network, deliberately hiding its existence to avoid detection by hostile forces. In this scenario, its creators might still be out there, watching us from the shadows, ensuring we're not a threat before making contact. The planet could be a piece of the puzzle, helping us understand why the universe appears so eerily quiet despite its vastness. As technology advances, the question of how humanity should approach Oculus 9 becomes increasingly pressing. Should we send manned missions to study the planet up close? Could artificial intelligence and autonomous probes unravel its mysteries without risking human lives? Or should we exercise caution, leaving the planet undisturbed to avoid provoking unintended consequences? Oculus 9 represents a crossroads for humanity. It challenges us to weigh the risks and rewards of exploration, to consider the ethical implications of probing a world that may not be ours to understand. As we stand on the brink of interstellar exploration, Oculus 9 serves as both an opportunity and a warning, a symbol of the boundless potential of discovery and the perils of venturing into the unknown. Oculus 9 isn't just a planet, it's a challenge to everything we think we know about the universe. Its secrets stretch beyond science, touching on questions of life, intelligence, and our place in the cosmos. It dares us to dream, to wonder, and to explore. But it also reminds us that some mysteries come with risks we may not yet fully understand. Will we one day unlock the truth behind Oculus 9? Or will its enigmas remain forever out of reach, a testament to the vastness of the universe and the limits of human understanding? One thing is certain, Oculus 9 is a story that will continue to inspire, intrigue, and challenge us for generations to come. If you're captivated by mysteries like this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think Oculus 9 truly is? Together, let's continue exploring the unknown, one question at a time. Until next time, remember, the universe holds secrets waiting to be discovered, or feared.